if you want to see how I got this cute, easy look, keep watching. Hey y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got this quick, easy fall makeup look using just some of my current favorites. And I'm actually gonna be trying out a new lipstick, but as we go through the video, I will be showing you and telling you all the products I use. So if you're interested in watching, if you're interested in finding out what I did, be sure to hit the subscribe button first, and then be sure to keep watching. for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is just like a quick cute fall makeup look that I decided to do, and I really hope you enjoyed. This lip bar color is just perfect. I've been looking for a really dark brown like this that'll stay matte, non-transferable, and I'm super excited about it. And so, like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles!